All right, I'm going to go over the menu on how to modify or let's see your games aren't showing up. So on the press start on the menu, these are the options. I'm going to show you the settings. To go to settings, you press X, and these are the settings you want to make sure. So use your controller. If you want, I have the PS2 logo turned off because I don't want to see the logo every time. You want to make sure write operations are off. Remember, last played is off. And this is how I have it set up. This is the start menu. So BDM device, this is a BDM device. So this is set up. So to get into that menu, you go over here, you press X. And then obviously I have USB turned on, the iLink turned on, and the MX4 ISO because we're using the MX4 ISO right here. So you want to make sure it's on. If you ever load this up and your games don't load, it's probably because your MX4 ISO is not on. And then you want to go to settings and actually save your settings. See where it says OK here at the bottom. So whenever you do any changes or you want to modify anything, you want to make it go to OK. See where it says OK, and that will save your settings. It's already done for me. And then let's say you want to get your display working right. Same thing, you can change your theme here. This is where you want to have the cover art. So if your cover art's not working, if I can focus correctly, you want to turn this on, and again, scroll all the way down and hit OK, hit X. And then the main thing is when you do this, if you're not working, you want to make sure you hit Save Changes. Save Changes is going to make it so it works correctly. So exit the browser, hit yes. It's going to refresh. It's going to save everything to this memory card. So that's how I'm getting it to work correctly. And then when you're done playing, like I said, you need to claw grip. So if you exit out, it'll go here into the memories. All you do is hit back. So the O key back. And this will bring you back into the menu. And every time you load up or want to play, you just launch either the 10th anniversary or you launch this other one. They go to the exact same area. I just renamed this and I updated the OpenPL on this memory card. So this has the latest version of OpenPL on this. So the latest version is the best version because obviously it has the least amount of errors and it works perfectly. So again, every time you load it up, it's going to load OpenPL and it's automatically going to load out the MX ISO, which you see right there. So it says MX ISO. And it's going to load this every time as long as your microSD card's not corrupted and your other card's not corrupted. It will work perfectly. And again, that's all you have to do. When you're done playing, you want to hit the start button here. So say you want to turn it off safely. You don't want to corrupt anything. So you want to hit start and then where it says power off. So when you're done playing, you scroll all the way down to power off. You hit X. Your system will be powered off. You hit X again. And this way you won't corrupt your microSD by taking it out or pulling the plug or messing up the files as it runs. So make sure you shut it down properly and your PS2 Slim will work perfectly.